This car is getting ready to go in storage. With a collector car insurance policy, the premiums are actually super reasonable, very low. You don't have to worry about dropping liability and collision coverage off for the winter and then reinstating it back in the fall. It just stays on full time at one low price all year. An agreed value policy like the one on this car is something that's unique in the collector car market. The owner selects an insurance value for the car, and in the event something happens to the car, there's no negotiation, no depreciation applied to a settlement. They get the agreed value. That's it. Here's something unique about collector car insurance as well.